Do you see Scully, Jules? Scully! Where is she? Is she out there? Can you see her? Stand on your toes. I see her ears. Yeah? Can you say dog dog? Doggy. 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 Yeah, doggy. Can you say doggy? Where's Scully? Let's see. There's the I-35W stairs. They're scary. There she is. She wants to come in. You stand on your toes? Can you stand on your toes to see her? You're awesome, Jules. Look at that dog going nuts. Should we let her in? Yeah.